Hey guys, welcome back to Bonsai Crazy. Today we're going to take a look at my Thuja, accidentalis, also known as a Northern White Cedar. So we're going to be repotting this today. So let's get on with it. Hey guys, welcome back to Bonsai Crazy. Today we're going to be looking at my Thuja accidentalis, also known as the Northern White Cedar. We are going to be repotting it today, and also I'm going to be sharing some facts that you might not know about these trees. So let's get started. So Thuja accidentalis is a slow growing tree, and as such may become root bound after a while, which is exactly as happened to this. Now this has been in a plant pot for many years now, and I rescued it last year, bought it off a customer of mine, and it is very root bound. So I think I may have to get a saw to this today to chop half of it off, or at least around half of it off. We don't want to go too mad as it's its first repot. So like I say, this tree's been in a pot for many years, and it is completely root bound. If I can take it out and let you have a good look, you can see that it's very solid. It's one solid mass. So I think I might take this downstairs to actually work on it. So let's go downstairs.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, but now I know I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in.
So right guys, we're back indoors, and I'm going to put some tape over the holes here. This is plasterer's tape. It's sticky, so it will stick, and it's quite small, which is very handy. So that just goes over the holes there. Then I'm going to get some wire and put some wire through. Now this pot hasn't got wire holes, so I'm going to have to go through the bottom or through the drainage holes. So over the top of that, also going to put this, which is a secondary piece. There we go, that's all wired up and that's all taped up, ready for the pot, ready for the plant. Alright, so next guys, we need to put in our soil. So good layer of soil on the bottom here I want. Really nice, good layer, and mound it in the middle. So Thuja was called the tree of life back in ancient times, or European Neolithic times, because it was used on ships to combat scurvy, believe it or not. So it's actually a medicine tree, and it's actually a mosquito repellent as well. So if you break up the leaves and put the secretion all over you, like wipe it all over you, it repels mosquitoes as well. So, and some of the trees have been known to live up to 1,000 years old or more. So it's a very interesting tree. So I know you all just saw that, but I've taken off half, and that quite literally was just half. There wasn't any more than that has gone, and it's looking good. So we're going to put it in. I'm going to step back and have a look and see where I'd like it. I think I'd like it a bit over this side. There we go, I think that's it. I think that's the way I like it there. So we're going to tie the tree in. Now I've only got one tie, but one tie should do it. So that's the tree tied in. So now we're gonna fill it with some soil, get it all in there. Make sure there's no air gaps, that's all.
I'm nervous on the surface, I look fine. My brain feels heavy, my traumatized mind. And I'm so tired, I can't feel my eyes. Whoa, whoa. I'm petty, but I know how to lie. I feel feelings that I can't describe. I'm not breathing, but I'm still alive. Whoa, whoa. But I think I'll be alright.
So the last thing we're going to do, like guys, is we're going to put some moss around this.
I'm not giving up yet. I feel that it's my time, so I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. So I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got.
There you go, guys. There's my Thuja all put in its pot. I'm really pleased with the way it's gone. I'm really pleased with how the roots look as well. I thought they were going to be a matted mass and I wasn't going to be able to do anything. But I'm pleasantly surprised on this one and I really like the way it's turned out. Love getting it in this pot and yeah, I think it's going to do well. I do like it. So it's looking good so far. I'm very pleased with it. As ever, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and follow my craziness throughout the years. And I'll see you on the next one, guys. Ta-da.